Hello everyone. In this video we are going to be discussing the second step of starting a business, that is writing a business plan. This is Dr. Mariam Narona. Let's begin by talking a little bit about what we mean by a business plan. A business plan is defined as a written document describing the nature of the business, sales, and marketing strategy and the financial background, containing a projected profit and loss statement. Now, a business plan is like a blueprint which tells you, you know, where you are going and how you can achieve the goals or objectives which you have set out for yourself, how much time it will take you to complete this journey to reach your destination, that is your business goals or objectives. So a business plan is always goal centric. It revolves around certain objectives, aims, goals which you establish for yourself. So who is the target audience for a business plan? Usually a business plan is written for other people. A businessman hardly ever writes a business plan for himself. Though I would say a business plan would help the businessman himself the most. If he wrote it down, he would be able to understand his goals and objectives better, and he would be able to evaluate various alternatives which he can use to reach those goals or objectives. Now, the target audience for a business plan include third parties like investors, banks, financial institutions, managers, employees, and also potential partners, because the plan helps you to pitch to all these people. That is, we tend to have this common misunderstanding that you only need to pitch your business plan to an investor or to a banker, but you may need a business plan so that you can pitch to other people, partners, co-founders. You may need to pitch to employees, and you may need it to pitch to clients and customers also. A business plan will help you to put down very carefully what are the resources you need to start a business, and it will also give you a holistic view of how you can use those resources carefully. Now, in what sort of a format would you write a business plan? So, the business plan usually provides you with a broad framework. So, there is no hard and fast rule. Though there are generally accepted formats for business plan, there is no hard and fast rule for how you can prepare your business plan. You can be as creative as possible, but the format of the plan provides you with a broad framework to present your thoughts, ideas, and strategies in a manner which is logical, consistent, and coherent. In other words, a business plan format, it forces you to think in an organized manner. It helps you to create and clarify your ideas and present them very clearly to other people. So the elements of a traditional business plan are the executive summary, which is like a brief introduction or overview of what you plan to do. Secondly, the company description, the name, address of your company, where it is located, how many branches you have, what sort of a company is it? Is it a sole proprietorship, partnership, private limited company, public limited company, so on and so forth. And broadly, what does it deal in? Which types of products or services does it deal in? So this is your company description. Then market analysis, who's your target market, your customer profiling and geographical location, size, existing potential market, all of this will come in the market analysis. In this, you will also cover your competition. Who is your competition? Who is your biggest competitor? Who are your top 5 or 10 competitors? You should be doing a bit of market analysis of theirs also. Then organization and management. What type of a structure does your business have? What is the managerial profile? Who's the CEO, COO, managers? Who are the people involved in the day-to-day running of your business? Things like that. What is your service or product line? That is, if you're making a product, a tangible product, then you talk about that. If there's a range of products, you talk about that. If you're providing a service, you mention what are the services or which service are you providing. Then you talk about the marketing and sales initiatives you plan to take for your business. Your sales should be all projected figures, current or past sales figures and projected figures to enable people to understand the profit potential in your business. A funding request: if you're preparing your business plan in order to get people to fund your business, this should come. Then financial projections, all your projections relating to sales, then how soon you're going to break even, all these little details, different financial ratios which are ideally required as per ratio analysis for a business, those should come. And your appendix includes any other attachments and documents which you would like people to look at. That is, if you're running a factory, then what is your plant layout or things like that, your graphs, charts, tables, if you have prepared any, all of these would be listed in the appendix. So these are broadly the elements of a traditional business plan. As I mentioned, there's no hard and fast rule. You may or may not follow and have each of these elements in the plan. I would just sum up this by saying that a business plan is a blueprint of the future course of action for a business. It helps a businessman figure out the who, what, and how of running a business. Thank you.